And this company is from the Netherlands. It's called SolarFoil, develops transparent foils that convert sunlight into the ideal light for plants and algae to grow. I'm welcoming you to the stage, Arnon, sorry.
Close mine. Okay, hi, I'm Arnon. And we all know that greenhouses and horticulture need to improve their sustainability. What we're trying to do is to use sunlight to allow growers to do that. Light is really important in the greenhouse. And the current practices are either artificial light, which is very energy intensive, or shading, which blocks useful light. Microalgae is a key example of how all these costs add up, and it's very hard to make a good business case. What we've developed is a foil that converts sunlight and allows growers to become more productive. Now we're developing different materials, different light recipes that are aimed at different use cases. We're currently focusing on 2 use cases. One is microalgae production, where we want to reduce the costs. And one is for ornamental plants, where we want to help steer the growth of the flowers. Our focus is really developing these different light recipes for each application. And we then integrate these materials into existing solutions in the greenhouse, whether that's in climate screens or greenhouse foils. So we're a B2B company. Now we've already tested this specific foil in the lab on algae. It showed 45% increase in production. We're looking for a seed round at the end of next year, and up to that point, we're looking to validate our products and our technology in the market, in the greenhouse. And coming spring, this is starting. We're looking to connect also with different partners that can help us validate. So if you can help with that, that would be welcome. Thank you very much.
Within the time.
Tried my best.
Very good. Are there any questions from the audience? Julia.
Hi, thank you so much for your presentation. Very nice to listen. I was wondering, this is a very crowded space, right? There are many players that we see out there. How do you plan to stay competitive?
So I would say what we try to do is we really look at what are the problems that the customers have, what problems the growers have, and we try to solve those problems. And this is why we end up also in niches, something like microalgae, or looking at orchids and how we can improve the growth conditions for the orchid grower. I think this sets us apart from existing technologies.
Right, thank you.
No online questions? Cas.
I was just curious if you're planning to put if it's always applied on the roof or also could be integrated with screens maybe at some point.
Yeah, exactly. So we're a B2B company and we want to sell our materials to existing manufacturers of solutions. So climate screens, cover foils, even the tubes of photobioreactor tubes are made from plastic, and and it can be integrated in those as well.
45% yield increase using the same energy input in both control and treatment?
Yeah, exact same. Just a reference and our foil under the same lighting.
And what was the control? Solar light?
Artificial solar light.
Okay.
Yeah.
One more question, what are you most proud of to date?
Honestly, what we...
Yeah, honestly.
that we managed to produce this. This was a big challenge to get this far. I think in the beginning we started with centimeters, and it took a long time that we were able to get a manufacturer to produce foils of this quality, even though this can be improved, but that was a huge success.
Great. Thank you so much, Arnon. Now I'm pronouncing it right. Thank you for being here. And I think it Oh, we have another question. Sorry. Time is up, but
thanks, Arnold, for the nice presentation. I had a question in terms of recyclability of your product. How does it perform end of life?
The goal is to collect the product in the end of life, and that's also the ambition of our partners, the foil manufacturers and the climate screen manufacturers. So it fits well within that ecosystem. So it cannot end in the environment. I think that would be detrimental. That would not be our goal. Yeah. I mean, you can definitely dissolve it and remove the materials out of it.
Now, this was really the last question. The time is up. Thank you, Arnon, and thank you for this.